Gahol. Taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa Barangay Poblasyon of Libacawaklan for answering to our call and participate in a nationwide cause. The Department of the Interior and Local Government launched the Kalinisan. Ang Kalinisan po ay kalinga at inisyatiba para sa malinis na bayan. This initiative is a consolidated effort of the government to maintain and provide a healthy and safe environment for all by capacitating our local government units and igniting community participation, anchored to our tradition of bayanihan. So, gina-emphasize, kalinisan is community participation.